Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. I'm doing a color process, Tangerine, and this is the first step of the process. Bleach at the tips, just a mohawk. And see, we're rinsing the color out. We didn't want it really light. We just wanted to give it a little lift for this particular color, but we actually got a lot of lift. No curls were lost during this process. It's post-chemical to replenish some of the moisture back that was lost during the bleaching process. And then we have the tangerine and the white side by side to dilute the tangerine because it's very vibrant. And I'm applying it just to the part that was bleached. And here's the finished product of that. It's very orange. And now we're styling. We're doing him finger coils because that's what he wanted. He wanted to accentuate his mohawk. And as you can see, I'm taking it, I'm twirling and around and around and around. I didn't want to see his scalp, so we're not doing something that would see his scalp. We want to just make it seem, just define his curls a little bit. And look at the finished look. That is so wonderful. That's exactly what he was looking for. The curls, the moisture is there, and we own and popping. Thank you for watching.